Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am down in a crawl space in Millsboro, and I'm going to walk you through this inspection of this so-called conditioned and encapsulated crawl space that was done by a subcontractor for a builder. So let's take a look. Here we go. The very first thing I noticed when I jumped down here is look how filthy this is. This is supposed to be a healthy space, supposed to be enclosing the crawl space and making it part of the building envelope and making it healthy. Now, you think, all this leads to good health. You're crazy. So let me point out a couple other things that I immediately noticed. So up here in the rim joist, this is closed cell spray foam. If you're going to use it up there, it has to be open cell. So that can potentially cause some major issues there with moisture control. Over here, looks like there's no dehumidifier in here. So I just jumped in here, I haven't seen for sure, but they're conditioning it with the HVAC, which my personal opinion is that this will cause problems down the road, right? This is not properly meant to dehumidify a crawl space. You need an actual dehumidifier. But the quality people that they hired use duct tape for whatever this is. I'm not even quite sure. And as you can see right over there, got some more duct tape holding everything together. So I don't think that they had a quality HVAC company do that portion either. So most of these home builders just hire the cheapest guy as their subcontractor instead of really looking out for you and making sure you're getting a quality job. I'm not even sure what all this is. Not sure what that's for. That makes no sense. So, let's see the water that's in here. Water's getting all inside this crawl space. More water puddles. We'll go over. Butyl tape giving, because it's not the right product. So, leave that in there. We'll see if there's any drainage around the perimeter. No, but water definitely coming under the footer. So drain system needs to be installed here. Again, a good crawl space encapsulation is always built on a solid waterproofing system or a dewatering system. As you can see here, got a lot more water puddles from the water making its way in. Not mold, but actual just mud caked on there. Mud caked on the HVAC ducts. So probably when they did the HVAC, this wasn't either encapsulated or it was already this dirty and they're dragging it through that. As you can see, all that stuff should be cleaned. And this is far from a healthy crawl space. So, got a sub pump over here. As you can see, it is, hopefully you can see, it's not even level. See if they installed this correctly. Well, it's got a lid on it. That part's good. You can see all the water washing around it because there's no stone aggregate. It goes all the way around. It's not sealed, so all this moisture comes right back into the crawl space and is eventually going to lead to mold. So, got some drainage there. Maybe they have some drain tile on the outside. I'm not sure. Definitely didn't install this right because all the perforated holes are getting clogged up by the soil as the soil migrates into the basin. There really should be a geotextile fabric put down around here, and then stone aggregate around it. That way the stone doesn't migrate in the soil and the soil doesn't migrate into the stone. So I'll have to pop this lid off later. But you see there's more water here. And, you know, this is, I can see down there on that column, the vapor barrier is starting to come off of the column there, or the pillar. And that's going to continually happening when they use this roofing butyl tape down here to try to do a crawl space encapsulation. So anyways, this thing is probably going to have to get tore out, because by the time we cut into it and put all the proper drainage system in here that should have been done the first time, it's going to cost more to turn around and piecemeal it all back together than to actually have everything installed right. So here we go again. So if you are thinking about having your crawl space encapsulated, make sure that you contact HydroHero at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com, and don't let yourselves get scammed by guys who say that they do crawl space encapsulation but really are not the national recognized leaders. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day.